Today's video is jam-packed full of fun DIYs with Dollar Tree items you have to try for this fall season. Welcome to CJ DIY, this is C. I always have so much ideas using these Dollar Tree frames, and this time I will use this rectangular 5x7 frame. And to easily paint it, I just removed the frame, and now I will give it a nice 2 good coats with this Acadia paint from Dixie Belle. I really love this paint. It is one of my favorite green colors and is perfect for this coming fall season. Now that I covered the whole frame, I will let it on the side to get dry. And in meantime, I went to Etsy shop and I downloaded some images to be cohesive with my frame. I'm using a printable sticker paper for my printer, and I print out the image that I like in a size 5x7 to fit just perfect for my frame. I am cutting it off, and simply I will add the sticker on top of the chalkboard, and that's it for this quick and easy DIY. Let me know, what do you think? The pumpkin is checkered green and it's so cohesive with the frame. I really love how it came out. Those images where I purchased them from are linked in my description box if you're interested. Before we finish this DIY, I am just distressing it a little bit with the golden paint, so all those crevices are coming to detail and it looks so high-end, and nobody will know that we made this cute little project with Dollar Tree frame. Another amazing find at Dollar Tree are these ceramic vase. It looks like one of those Pottery Barn vases, except in a smaller version. What I will do for this one, I will add a tape on top where the two colors are dividing, and I will paint the bottom part with the same Acadia paint that I paint the frame with. And I will paint the handles and the top just to be cohesive with my decor today. To make my look better, look at those waxed LED candles from Dollar Tree. If you see them, grab them, they're beautiful. The color is exact the same like my vase and my frame that I made, so it's just perfect touch. What I did is I removed the twine in the middle part, and to make it more high-end, I'm using my Mackenzie Child ribbon. I am just folding it in half, and I will add that part in the middle part where the two colors are dividing, and that's it for this quick and easy DIY. Those wooden beaded planks are perfect find at Dollar Tree. I was thinking, should I use round one? At the end, I decided to use the oval one. I am painting the inside part with a white paint, and the beads and the side I'm painting it with Acadia Dixie Belle. Now that my plank is painted, I will use these wood pack dolls as legs, and I will paint them with the same paint as well. Before I put all the pieces together, for the inside part where I painted with the white paint, I will decoupage this green checkered napkin that I have. I'm tracing it over with my nails so it will be easy for me to cut it over, and I will just decoupage it with a Mod Podge, and we will have a perfect riser for my vignette. You don't need to add those colors that I'm using today. You can use any colors as you prefer. At the end, I think this color is just perfect for this coming fall. And I notice it's so popular for this season that everybody will love this. Especially if it looks so high-end and is done with Dollar Tree items that won't break a bank. After I Mod Podge one half of this plank, I will finish off with the other half with adding a Mod Podge and smoothing it out with my decoupage brayer and my fingers. And to smooth it even more out, I will add a parchment paper and a mini press on top of it, and I will seal it with a Mod Podge as well. And then on the bottom, I will glue the legs, and I have an amazing riser that if you go to high-end stores, risers like this will be way more than a couple of dollars. Another amazing find at Dollar Tree are those frosted mini vases. I really like this green one. It's super cohesive with my looks today. What I will do is I will add a H2O transfer from Redesign with Prima. I used it on my previous video, and what I did is I just dab it with a wet towel before I add the transfer. Then I add the transfer, and then on top I'm also adding a wet towel, and then with the squeegee and just a little bit of more water, I am adding it on top of the label so I can have the transfer release. And I lost the footage of that vase, but I will show you on my other vase how I did. I just removed the sheet and the golden label stay on my vase, and this is how it looks. Those jar tabletop signs are perfect from Dollar Tree. There was some glitter on them, and with my nail filer, I just get rid of the glitter just like so, super easy. And with this, I'm just making my jar more distressed and aged, and the glitter was out in just a few seconds. Just like so, I just wipe it off with the brush, and I have a perfect, beautiful look. I made a simple 2-loop bow with my Mackenzie check ribbon. The velvet, I used the velvet part of it, and I'm gluing it on top, and those signs look simple and cute just like that. You don't need to do anything else with them. Those beaded fall signs are new this year. I really love how they look, except they have a little bit of glitter on them as well. I removed the glitter with a nail filer, the same way like I did on my jar sign. I made super cute simple bows from Mackenzie Childs. I glue them on the side, and that's it for those cute signs. Let me know which of those creations is your favorite, and if you remake something, I would like to see. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hype. And until next time, my darlings, stay blessed, don't stress, and let God do the rest. Bye-bye.